Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will show dialogue about reservation. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon too.
Sit down, please.
Thanks, ma'am.
I can help you.
I want to go to Bali on the 5th of September. I want to order a business class ticket for the first flight.
If on the 5th of September there was Merpati Airline.
Merpati? Okay, so I want to order one ticket to Bali.
Can I see a mother identity card?
This is mom.
There is a number that can I be contact?
There is
How many?
8,102.
I repeat, ma'am. 8,102.
Yes, of course.
Well, ma'am, it costs 1,500,000 rupiah. Do you want to pay cash? I calculated first.
Yes, thanks, ma'am.
You're welcome.